Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton and we're taking a look to see what's back in stock on the shelves this week for your Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look. Okay, first up this week is part number 131831, the rocker cover gasket set for the 500 and 850 twins. That's £2.40 including VAT. Something we've been asked about quite a lot recently. Back in stock now though, the side stand kit for the Atlas and the Dominator, including all the parts, the lug and the spring, part number 131694. Next up, the Gearbox Overhaul Kit for the AMC from 1962 onwards. It's 23 items in this pack. It's part number 067279 and it's £171.53 including VAT. Part number 067097, the cylinder head fastenings kit for the 750 and 850 is £75.54 including VAT. And last up, part number 131883, the magnetic drain plug set including washers for the sump, oil tank and gearbox for the 72 to 78 Commando is £22.74 including VAT. And as always, if there's anything that I have mentioned, it's available in the section below. You can just go click on the links and it'll take you straight to the item. But if there's something you do want and I haven't talked about it and it's not come back as back in stock on the website yet, you can set yourself an email reminder. It's really simple. There is a link in the section below which will take you through the whole process in the video. You click a simple little box and then you'll get an email sent to you when that item comes back in stock. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.